Oh joy. Elin recovered her account.
And then I got a sign-in alert that I didn't recognise, so I was like, hold on a minute. So I followed the fraud advice on the alert, and I managed to recover the account, thankfully. I changed my passwords. 2-step verification turned on. I definitely recommend that one.
This is not very helpful, Elin.
So I'm me again now. Yay! So just be mindful of what you post online. Use strong passwords and be vigilant. And double check people really are who they say they are, because you never know. Could be an imposter trying to rip you off. Double check people really are who they say they are, because you never know. Could be an imposter trying to rip you off.
But, no matter, there are millions of people online. I live in a world where panic can push a person to make rash decisions. Every time you go online, you are in my world. I'm waiting for the people who don't pause, check, protect. Could this be you?